Congratulations! You're off to uni. You did it! But what happens next? Here's our step-by-step guide. 1. Clearing Open Day. If you've accepted a clearing offer from us, we'll invite you to our Clearing Open Day, where you can visit campus and meet your future lecturers. 2. Student Finance. As soon as you can after results day, log into your Student Finance account. Check your details are still correct, including bank account and course details. If you haven't applied yet, do it now! 3. Accommodation. Watch out for your accommodation contract. You need to sign before the deadline. If you haven't applied yet, it's time to get started. Remember, we guarantee accommodation for all new students who meet our criteria. 4. Student Visa. If you're joining us from abroad, you'll need a student visa. We'll send you a CAS number which you'll need for your visa application. 5. Register. A few weeks before you join us, we'll email you details of how to register. This makes things official and gets you your student ID. You may need to pay or arrange to pay your tuition fees to complete your registration. 6. Get ready for Freshers. There's only one official Freshers Week. It's fantastic fun and run by our Students' Union. Get your wristband at nusu.co.uk/freshers. 7. Airport Meet and Greet. If you're flying in from abroad, you can book a meet and greet. We'll then welcome you at Newcastle International Airport and take you to your accommodation. 8. Moving in day. When it's time to come to campus, we will email you a link to book an arrival slot at your accommodation. 9. Start packing. You'll need clothes, bedding, towels, kitchenware, and personal items. 10. Welcome! And that's it. It's time to join us at Newcastle University. Your uni adventure is about to begin. You're the future. Make Newcastle yours.